crazy. Where'd you get the axe, man? This like sucks. Good grief, man. This is some straight up bullshit. I bet you do. Yours is probably frozen.
I was.
I ain't holding your hand. Burr. I'll give you a hug though.
My hands are warm.
Are they?
Yeah.
I'm about to close this window because I'm like freezing up.
Down there. Beverly Hills. That is where I want to be. I don't know the whole song.
I don't know any of it.
I know you know one.
I don't know if I know any of that song. Don't throw snowball at me. No! You better not. It'll probably take you half an hour just to get over here. Don't you dare. Look at the stinky cat. You ain't, believe me, you don't want to get out there.
Oh no! My boot came off.
You better get it back on and get back in here. Don't lose your guitar. Oh crap!
Somebody help me!
I can't, baby.
Help!
You're the fool that went out there.
Help!
She lost her boot.
Did she really?
Yes.
You didn't have it on tight enough.
Help me!
Pull it out, baby. Pull it out.
Tell her hurry up and come in, and then we can get it straight.
She can't get her boot out of the snow, honey. It's down in there. Honey, you better either just forget it or come in because your foot's gonna freeze very quickly.
I know.
Come on, dig for the boot and come on.
Bye.